The OPPO Find N6 has come up with its advanced hinge design and next-generation flexible display layers, which aim to deliver a foldable with an almost invisible crease and a smoother folding mechanism, something many users feel other manufacturers still struggle to perfect. But standing on the other side is a company that has been refining foldable technology for years. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 represents Samsung's most polished foldable yet, combining powerful hardware, a refined design, and one of the most mature foldable software experiences available today. So the big question is simple. Does OPPO's breakthrough innovation push foldables into a new era, or does Samsung's experience still keep the Galaxy Z Fold 7 ahead? Let's break it all down and see which foldable really comes out on top. First, let's talk about design and build quality, because foldables live and die by their hinge and durability. The OPPO Find N6 introduces a brand new hinge system and a zero-feel crease display technology designed to make the fold crease almost invisible during normal use. This is achieved using a titanium hinge and a 3D liquid printing process that smooths microscopic surface irregularities in the folding mechanism. The result is a crease that is extremely subtle and hard to notice unless you look at it from specific angles. The device also features an aerospace-grade titanium structure and improved flexible glass that helps maintain durability even after hundreds of thousands of folds. Reports suggest the hinge and display can withstand up to around 200,000 folds with minimal wear. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 focuses on refinement rather than a complete redesign. Samsung has made it thinner and lighter than previous models, measuring around 8.9 mm when folded and roughly 4.2 mm when unfolded, with a total weight of about 215 grams. The frame is made of armor aluminum, and the device comes with an IP48 rating for dust and water resistance. While the crease is still visible compared to some competitors, Samsung's hinge is extremely reliable and well tested after several generations of foldables. Now let's move to the displays, which are the most important part of any foldable phone. The OPPO Find N6 is rumored to feature a massive 8.12-inch LTPO OLED inner display with a 2K resolution and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The outer display is expected to measure around 6.62 inches, also supporting a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming. The display panel can reach very high brightness levels and uses ultra-thin flexible glass to maintain durability while folding. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 comes with an 8-inch dynamic AMO LED 2X inner display with a resolution of 2184 by 1968 pixels and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The cover display is a 6.5-inch dynamic AMO panel with 2520 by 1080 resolution and the same 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung's displays are known for their color accuracy and brightness, making the Fold 7 excellent for watching videos, gaming, or multitasking. Performance is another area where both phones aim to dominate. The OPPO Find N6 is expected to run on the next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 built on a 3nm architecture. According to benchmark leaks, the chip includes 2 prime cores running at around 4.61 GHz and 5 performance cores at about 3.63 GHz, paired with an Adreno 840 GPU. The phone is expected to come with up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options reaching up to 1 TB. In early benchmarks, the chip reportedly scored around 3,524 in single-core tests and about 9,090 in multi-core performance, which puts it firmly in ultra-flagship territory. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 also delivers flagship performance with the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor. This chip is optimized specifically for Samsung devices and paired with 12 GB of RAM on most models and up to 16 GB on the 1 TB variant. Storage options include 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB using fast UFS 4.0 storage. Combined with Samsung's One UI multitasking features, this hardware allows users to run multiple apps simultaneously, drag content between windows, and turn the foldable display into a mini productivity workstation. Next, let's talk about cameras, because both foldables are bringing flagship-level photography. The OPPO Find N6 is expected to feature a powerful triple camera setup co-engineered with Hasselblad. The main highlight is a 200-megapixel primary sensor, supported by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. This setup should deliver high-resolution images, strong zoom capabilities, and improved color science thanks to Hasselblad tuning. The device also is expected to include around 20-megapixel front camera for selfies and video calls. Samsung has also upgraded its foldable camera system with a 200-megapixel main sensor on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Alongside it, you get a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and optical image stabilization. For selfies and video calls, the phone includes a 10-megapixel cover camera and another 10-megapixel camera inside the foldable display. The camera system supports advanced features like HDR, panorama, and video recording up to 8K at 30 FPS and 4K at 60 FPS, delivering flagship-grade photo and video capabilities. Battery life is another major difference between these two devices. The OPPO Find N6 is rumored to pack a huge 6,000 mAh battery, which is unusually large for a foldable phone. It also supports extremely fast charging with 80-watt wired charging and wireless charging support, allowing users to top up the battery quickly. With such a large battery capacity, the N6 could potentially offer significantly longer battery life than most foldables. In comparison, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 uses a dual-cell 4400 mAh battery. Charging speeds include 25-watt wired charging, 15-watt wireless charging, and 4.5-watt reverse wireless charging for powering accessories like earbuds or smartwatches. While the battery capacity is smaller, Samsung has improved power efficiency with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and software optimizations. In terms of connectivity and features, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 includes 5G support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, UWB connectivity, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. It also features stereo speakers tuned by AKG and Samsung's advanced multitasking interface designed specifically for foldable displays. The OPPO Find N6 also offers high-end connectivity features, including 5G support, eSIM capability, satellite communication support, and advanced multitasking features in ColorOS. Another unique addition is stylus support through the OPPO AI Stylus, allowing users to take notes, sketch, or annotate documents on the large foldable screen. Finally, pricing places these devices firmly in the ultra-premium category. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 starts around $1999 for the 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage variant, while higher configurations with 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB storage can reach around $2,419. So, which foldable should you actually choose? If you want the most refined foldable experience with excellent software support, reliable durability, and Samsung's mature ecosystem, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 remains one of the best foldable phones available today. But if you want cutting-edge hardware, a larger battery, a potentially flatter crease, and a more advanced hinge design, the OPPO Find N6 could be one of the most exciting foldables of 2026.